You are going to solve. Write what come after, write what come before, write what comes in between, write what comes before and after, write what comes in between. Now write missing numbers. Okay, now we are going to start. This is class first, chapter 5. Okay, write what come after. 13 come after 14, 16 come after 17, 15 come after 16, 18 come after 19, 17 come after 18, 11 come after 12, 12 come after 13, 14 come after 15. Okay, now write what comes after. 19 come before 18, 16 come before 15, 15 come before 14, 10 come before 9, 11 come before 10, 13 come before 12, 14 come before 13, 18 come before 17. Write what's come in between. Okay, 13, 15 between 14, 14, 16 between 15, 9, 11 between 10, 11, 13 between 12, 17, 19 between 18, 15, 17 between 16. Write what comes before and after. Okay, this is 13 before, 12 after, 14. This is 18 before, 17 after, 19. 11 before, 10 after, 12. 10 before, 9 after, 11. 16 before, 15 after, 17. 12 before, 11 after, 13. Now write what comes in between. Okay, this is 12 and this is 16. Now what come between? 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now this is 16. 10 and 14. 10, 11, 12, 13. 15 and 19. 16, 17, 18. 10 and 12. 9, 10, 11. Now write the missing numbers. 8, 13 and 9. Now what is the missing numbers? Missing numbers are 9, 10, 11, 12. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, these are all missing numbers. Today we learned write what comes after, write what comes before, write what comes between, write what comes before and after, write what comes in between, and now write the missing numbers. Okay, so today we learn all of these. Now count and write the number. Also put greater than, equal to, or less than. Look at here, this is 11 and this is 13. Okay, this is less than and this is more than, that's why we put here less than. Okay, now look at here, 19 and 17, this is greater than and this is less than. Okay, that's why we put here greater than. 17 and 17, this is equal to, because 17 is also equal to 17. Now look at here, this is 19 and this is 18. 19 is greater than 18, that's why we put here greater than. 12 and 9, this is greater than, this is less than, that's why we put here greater than. This is 15 and this is 18. 15 is less than 18, that's why we put here less than. Today we saw this also. Okay, I hope you liked it. If you like, then please subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Okay.